Frank, known for his role in the popular TV show American Pickers, faced a significant health setback when he suffered a stroke in July 2022. As a result of this health crisis, he was placed under a conservatorship and guardianship to ensure his well-being. This move, aimed at safeguarding his interest in health, has brought several developments to light. Recently, on October 11, 2023, Frank's lawyer filed a will prior to death on his behalf. The purpose of this filing was to safekeep Frank's will, a legal maneuver executed in Iowa courts. An Iowa judge subsequently reviewed and accepted the will. This step is indicative of Frank's forward-thinking approach to his assets and estate, considering his estimated $6 million net worth. Frank's health ordeal began in July 2022 when he suffered a stroke at his Iowa farmhouse. Following this health scare, he spent time in the hospital and subsequently underwent inpatient rehabilitation. The U.S. Sun reported in August 2022 that the conservatorship and guardianship were initiated on Frank's behalf. His close friend, Chris Davis, took on the role of guardian, while Midwest One Bank was appointed as the conservator. The legal documents related to the conservatorship and guardianship detailed the impact of Frank's stroke on his decision-making capacity. His ability to make decisions about his safety, food, shelter, clothing, and medical care was significantly impaired due to the stroke. A doctor's assessment cited in the court papers confirmed Frank's limited decisional capacity. Given this situation, the appointment of a guardian and conservator was deemed necessary to prevent immediate harm to him. The guardian, Chris Davis, is responsible for assisting Frank with his Crohn's disease treatment and ongoing physical therapy. This role also includes helping Frank with everyday tasks such as grocery shopping, meal preparation, and participating in activities. The stroke had left Frank wheelchair-bound, and he even had a ramp installed at his Iowa home. Despite these physical challenges, Frank has been making progress in his recovery. His friend provided an update on Frank's condition, stating that he continues to improve daily, though the effects of a stroke are typically enduring. He affirmed that Frank is fully aware of his surroundings and able to engage in conversation. Although he can walk, Frank still relies on a wheelchair for longer distances, which is a common consequence of a stroke affecting one side of the body. Frank continues to undergo outpatient therapy weekly for several hours, contributing to his recovery process. It's important to note that Frank is a private individual who prefers to stay out of the public eye. One significant misconception about Frank is his health status. While he has experienced a stroke, he remains far from debilitated and is still able to engage in various activities and enjoy life. Regarding the conservatorship, it is described as temporary, suggesting that it may be reevaluated as Frank's condition and circumstances evolve. Frank's last appearance on American Pickers dates back to March 2020. He had taken a hiatus from the show to recover from back surgery, during which he received 185 stitches and had 2 rods inserted into his spine. Additionally, Frank's time away from the show included a period of rehab to address alcohol addiction, spanning 77 days. In 2021, Frank disclosed a strained relationship with his co-star, Mike, citing a lack of communication and support during his health struggles. He also expressed a belief that Mike was attempting to introduce his brother, Robbie, as a replacement on the show. However, an insider revealed that their friendship remains intact. They've known each other for 4 decades, sharing high school memories and various experiences. Mike has visited Frank a few times since the stroke, and the two continue to communicate through calls and texts. Frank's journey through the challenges of health and relationships underscores the complexities of fame, health, and personal connections in the world of television.